Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val. My name's Val, and you are watching a TCG Thursday, which is unboxing a Pokemon box. So today's box is actually the Pokemon Crown Zenith Elite Trainer box. So we're going to open that box today and see if we get any good pulls. Before we get into this video, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up if you like Pokemon, and subscribe down below for more Pokemon unboxings. I want to give a shout out to my boyfriend for supplying me with this box because I haven't been able to get a Pokemon box or any Pokemon related items since my last Pokemon videos, but because of him, he bought me this box so I could make this video. So this is the box that I'm going to be unboxing. I showed it on my other screen, my other camera, but I'm also going to show it here. And yeah, let's go ahead and open it. Okay, so we took the plastic off of it. So let's go ahead and slide it out. So I'll do it on this camera. Oops. Okay, so we have the Player's Guide, the Pokemon Crown Zenith Player's Guide. Wonderful. Okay, so now we're going to open it. Ready? So it comes with a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 booster packs, and each booster pack contains 10 additional game cards, so meaning I think there's 100 cards in here. And then we have our Pokemon Crown Zenith Elite Trainer Box sleeves. And then we have a code card, so if anyone's interested in scanning the code card, here is the code. Oh, and then we have, this is Lucario. This is the promo card, a V Star. And then we have a whole bunch of our energy cards. We have 4 dividers. We have 2 playing tokens. And then we have this V Star token. And we have a total of 7 dice. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open our booster packs. Okay, so we will start with we'll start with this one right here. So we're gonna open this one. Here's our code card if you want to scan it. Perfect. Okay, so it goes 4 to the front. So we have our energy, Lunatone, Trainer, Rescue Carrier, Salazzle, Shinx, Pancham, Snorunt, Pawniard, Tangela. We got a pool! Okay, so we got a pool. So our first pool of the video is from our first pack. So we actually got a pool, and this is Miltank. It looks like a full art, or I'll have to ask my boyfriend to confirm. But this looks so cool. I like it. Miltank is with this jar of milk and cheese and feasting. Then we also got a hollow Zamazenta. Let's go ahead and show the pool over here. But we got a pool. I'm super excited for that. That's so cool. Okay, so we'll sleeve that. Oh, let me get the sleeves out. Okay. I'm gonna sleeve it. Pool number 1, Miltank. Super excited. Now let's get our second pack. We'll do this one. Here's our code card, if anyone is interested. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our energy card. We've got Pincurchin, Rare Candy, Bisharp, Purloin, Grubbin, Scarlet, Helioptile, Wooloo. We've got a reverse Mewtwo. And we got an Eevee. We got Eevee V. Eevee V. Gonna sleeve Miss Little Eevee. We love Eevee. So we got 2 pulls so far. So our first pull was Miltank, and our second pull is Eevee. Here is the code card, if anyone's interested. Then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. So we've got energy, Girafarig, I don't know how to pronounce that. Another Pincurchin, Pokemon Catcher Trainer, Kricketot, Shatot, Mr. Mime, Galarian Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Bidoof, a reverse Bisharp, and no pull. This is just a Liepard, not even hollow, which is fine. Okay, so next we are going to open this one. We've got another Galarian Mr. Mime. I think this is our second Sunkern. Coughing, another Bidoof, Salandit. Oh, I didn't even open it the right way. Whoopsie daisy. Reverse Gumshoes, double energy, trainer digging duo, Graveler, Pokemon Catcher Trainer, and then our code card if anyone's interested. So I did not open that one the right way. Whoopsie daisy. It's okay. I will do it right the next ones. Let's open this pack. Okay, so we first got our code card. Then we'll do our little thing. So we're going to do 4 from the back to the front. We got our energy card. Lairon, I think. Trainer, Friends in Sinnoh. Gloom. Another trainer potion. Aeron. So we got, I think we got Aeron twice. We go from Aeron to Lairon. Corphish. Trainer energy search. Skyther. Ooh, we've got a holographic energy and a Heliolus. So we've got a holographic, I think this is dark energy, right? So there's that. I'll go ahead and sleeve this since it's a holographic energy. What's next? We'll open this one next. So far we've got 2 good pulls. Code card. 4 to the front from the back. So we've got a V Star energy, Trainer Crushing Hammer, Dusclops, Trainer Trekking Shoes, Whalmer, Shinx Rapid Strike, Larvesta, Oddish, Seal. That's actually kind of cute. Seal's really cute. Ooh, we got something. We got, I think this is a full art, Toxtricity, Fusion Strike, and then we've got a holographic Absol. So this one's really cool. Toxtricity. So we got a 3rd pull. We've got 3 really good pulls, I think. Okay, so 3 pulls. Went ahead and sleeved it. Put it in its sleeve. Okay, let's go ahead and open our next pack. And then after this, we have 3 more packs left. So we'll see if we get any more pulls with all these packs. Or with the last 4 packs. Here's our code card. 4 to the front. We've got Energy, Trainer Great Ball, Graveler, Rare Candy, Riolu, Yungoos, Cherubi, Starly, Trainer Switch. This is a reverse Purloin and a regular Yanmega. Okay, so nothing in that pack. That's okay though. Let's go ahead and open the next one. Code card. 4 to the front from the back. Energy, Alexio, Electric, Trainer Rescue Carrier, another Execute. I think I just got to execute the last pack. Love Disc, Emolga. Emolga's actually kind of cute. Yanma, Pawniard, Reverse Solrock, and just a regular Wellord. Doesn't look like it's hollow. Okay, so we have two more chances. 2 more chances. Let's see if we get anything. Code card. 4 to the back from the front. Got our Energy, Carnivine, another Girafarig, Trainer Energy Switch, Baltoy, I think we got something, Galarian Meowth, maybe another Whalmer, I'm not sure, another Shinx, Larvesta, we got a Raikou V, so we got a pull, and an Executor. So we got a Raikou V. So we got 4 pulls. Let's go ahead and sleeve this one. Okay, we can have 1 more pull. We have a chance for 1 more. But this is Raikou V again. So we got it sleeved. Raikou V again, got it sleeved. Woohoo. Okay, we have 1 more chance. 1 more chance, and we might have a last pull. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front from the back. We got our Energy, Crocorock. I think we got something. I'm trying like to not hold them, but you can still kind of see the outlines. So we got a Crocorock, Ultra Ball, Trainer Friendzin Hisui. The other one was a trainer too. Oddish, another Seal. So like I said, Seal looks cute. Trainer Potion, another Aeron, Corphish. We got a Okay, I think we got two pulls from this last pack. So we got I think this is a full art, but we got a cute Pikachu. This one's actually really cute. And I think this is good. I'm not sure. So we got two pulls, Pikachu and a Regigigas V Star. So we got two pulls this pack. Super excited. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Okay. We got our Pikachu. I love Pikachu. And look, you can kind of see the rainbow. It reflects the rainbow. We got a Regigigas. So, we did pretty good. Let's go ahead and sleeve them both. I picked a good box, y'all. So my boyfriend's like, choose wisely. Choose these boxes wisely. So what I kind of do when I choose these boxes is I use my brain and my mind, and I kind of like try and manifest like the box that I think is gonna be the best. And I think I chose a pretty good box. There were a few boxes and I think I chose the right one. So we got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 10 packs we got. Well, actually no, because 2 of them came in one pack. So we got 5 out of 10 packs gave us pulls. I don't know if we count this one as a pull, but we got pulls. So let's show them on this screen. Here are our 5. So we got a holographic energy. Miltank was our first pull. Eevee was our second pull. I think Toxtricity was our third pull. Raikou. And then we got Pikachu and Regigigas in 1. So I think that's a pretty good box right there. If y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more Pokemon unboxing videos, subscribe down below and comment down below letting me know that you enjoyed this video. I'm even thinking maybe doing these live every once in a while might be fun, and going live opening these boxes would be a good idea. So if any of you would enjoy a live TCG Thursday, I can definitely do that and try and dedicate an hour to that, or even 30 minutes to that. I don't know. But yeah, so we got, like I said, we got 6 pulls. 5 of them were 5 packs. I got 5 different packs. Or maybe I got 6 different packs. 6 different packs if the energy counts as a pull. If it doesn't, then 5 packs. But yeah, so I'll see y'all next time. Bye, everyone.